Welcome back with a new video, man. It's your boy Llama770. We back at it again. As y'all can see, the vacation has came to an end. I've been home for a minute, bro. Them vacation vlogs was during summertime, bro. So that's way in the past now, and I finally finished editing and dropping all the videos. So I'm hopefully y'all enjoyed them. You know what I mean? Yeah, I moved into a new place, so I guess outside is not gonna look the same as my old videos. You know what I mean? But by the title, you know what we're doing today, bro. This is not going to be a full-on boot mod tune. This is not going to be the downpipe and tune shit that people be doing. But that's coming, bro. I just wanted to tell y'all that it's coming. I finally got the downpipe and I got the tune for my 330i. It's been 6 months since I did some, well, not 6 months, but it's been 6 months since I got this. And it's been doing good. It's been doing good. It haven't given me no problems. It's really it's really dirty right now. I need to clean it. It needs a wash. Yeah, it needs a wash, but the spoiler has not came off, didn't even move, still looking clean. But yeah, did I tell y'all that I got the downpipe on the way? It should be showing up on in the next, let me see, I think it's gonna show up on the 28th. I don't think y'all can see it. It's supposed to be showing up on 28th, so a couple more days to the 28th. The downpipe should be coming in. But we got the downpipe coming in. And then I already got the tune in my email. We got the tune just chilling in my email. It's been chilling in my email for probably about 2 months. Everything, I was supposed to put it on, but then, you know, the hurricane hit and all that stuff. So just like, you know, things happen, bro. Things happen. In the next week or two, the downpipe should be on and should be doing what it needs to be doing. But yeah, just give me time with the build, bro. Just give me time with the build. So we're gonna get the tune and everything put into this junk. I need to get my ECU unlocked. Good thing I found somebody where I'm at that said he'll do it for a good price. So all of that is happening, bro. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. But I'm just mad about how long this junk is taking. It's not even about the money. It's just about, like, I wish I could do all the stuff that needs to be done. I can't do that. Depending on other people to do it is just so tedious. Like, I gotta find this guy to do that, this guy to do that. Like, I wish I knew how to unlock an ECU instead of shipping it out. But yeah, by the title, y'all already know what we doing today. This came with my tune. If I didn't tell y'all, we went with Boot Mod 3 because everybody said boot mod was the best, and I didn't want no piggyback. I didn't want no like plug-in tune. You know what I mean? I didn't really want that. I just wanted like an actual tune. So this came with it. This came like a week after I bought the tune. That's in my email, just sitting. But yeah, this is an OBD adapter. You know, you plug it into your OBD thing at the bottom, and you can code it. You can code some stuff into this BMW. Like, if mine had the ambient light, you can code the ambient light. You can code the speedometer. But really, I'm just trying to code this so it can show up as like the M340i or the M3 style look. Even maybe the Alpina look. I want that. I just want it to look cool. I just don't want it to look like no base model, because when I tune it, bro, it's gonna be a little bit more fast. You feel me? Not too fast, because, you know, this is a B46 engine. It's not gonna be something too special, but, you know, I need some more speed, bro. I need some speed. You feel me? So that's what we're gonna do. And until we get an M, bro, we're gonna keep grinding, bro. We're gonna keep grinding, bro. So let's get into this video. I'm finna figure out how to do this myself. So if y'all don't know how to do it, just watch this video. I'm finna let y'all know. Yeah, I didn't even really tell y'all what we're trying to do other than make it look cool. So the G20 330i's in the US, they don't come with Sports Plus, which is a mode. Usually you can click it, like overseas you can click it and it has a Sports Plus option. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, mine don't have that. So I'm finna try to code it in, because all vehicles come with it. You just gotta unlock it basically. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today. Hopefully I can be successful, and I'm trying to get this done before the sun completely goes down. So we got probably like 35 minutes left, so let's get into it. You should be able to plug it in at the bottom. I can get this junk plugged in. It's this way. Oh yeah. It snaps in just like that. Should come on just like this. It's not blinking. Alright, And then basically you just open BimmerCode. You just open it and then make sure y'all buy. Wait, let me see. Is that BimmerCode? Oh, that wasn't it. That was BimmerCode. Make sure y'all get this app. Download it. Get the full version of it because you can't use it with the demo. You can't code with the demo. And it costs $49.99. So go ahead and get that. And connect. BM3. I don't know if it's... This junk don't be popping up. But just know, when it says select OBD adapter to select BM3, connect. And it's going to try to connect right now. Going to be connecting, hopefully, in a second. Alright, guys. So it's already nighttime, bro. And I can't get this junk connected. It just won't connect, bro. It just won't connect. So I just restarted my phone. I looked it up. That could be a simple fix. And my phone's coming back on. But this junk is finna blow me, bro. I'm just trying to get this junk done. Okay, restarting my phone was the issue. And this should be the next thing you see. It's going to ask you to select the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and select. Oh my God, bro. Y'all can't see it. But just know I'm selecting BMW 3 Series, comma M3. Continue. Identifying unit controls. The hell? This shit just backed me out of it. Alright, guys. It's fully nighttime, bro. And it baffles me how many idiots be leaving their advice on stuff like this, bro. The whole time, bro. The whole time I've been looking at forums, YouTube videos in the comments. Everybody saying, leave the vehicle off. Leave the vehicle off. Nigga, I put this shit on and it finally connected. I turned the BMW on, it connected. And the thing about it is, it didn't only connect when I put it on. They didn't tell me that nothing else could be connected. Like, my Apple CarPlay kept connecting. So every time my Apple CarPlay would connect, it would disconnect BimmerCode from the OBD adapter and all of that, bro. It just, that junk took 20 minutes to figure out, bro. 20 minutes. But now we finally in the app. And I can see all the control units, all that control stuff. And I'm finna mess around with it, bro, and see what I can do. So I finally got the layout. I'll show y'all like this. So y'all can get a better idea. Alright, so I finally got the layout. I'm finna change this junk to M Performance 200 miles per hour, bro. Diesel logo. I don't want no diesel logo. Yeah, I want the M Performance. I'm gonna click code and see what happens. Start coding. I'm about to see what happened, bro. Oh, this went black. Oh, it says restarting EC. Ooh! This is what I wanted, bro. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted, bro. Hey, why does not focus? Y'all see how sexy this looks? We got 200 on the dash. That simple, bro. In performance with the 200 on the dash, bro. I was sick of having 160 on the dash, bro. We put 200 on the dash because that's how fast this junk gonna be able to go. You see how simple that was, bro? By a click of a button, I coded it. I'm gonna look at some other ones though. I'm gonna click on the M one. Go back. Code. When I click code, this junk finna go black. We starting ECU again. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'ma leave it like this, bro. I'ma leave it like this. Bro. I just coded this junk to look like an M3, bro. That junk tough. I'm leaving it like that. I'm leaving it. I don't want the other one, bro. I don't want no M performance, bro. I want the M3 performance, bro. 110%. That junk look fire. Bro. Bro, the things you can do with this app, bro, it was that simple. Oh my God, it was that simple. Alright, guys, we finna go deep into this junk and see what else we can do. Don't mind my phone. I know my phone look like it's greasy or something. maximum volume, default animation. Ooh. Default animation. I ain't gonna lie, I want the M. I want M everything, bro. I want the M. Volume pop up. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna click code. I'm just coding one thing. The animation. Let's see how this animation gonna look if it come back on. Yeah. And that junk tough. That junk tough. You feel me? That junk tough. We coding that shit. Okay, I just got this junk back connected. But dang, bro, like y'all don't understand how cool this looks, bro. We got the M3 look on the 330i, bro. Okay, I think I found it. You gotta go into export mode. Dang. It just says it can cause problems. Dang. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what? I'm just gonna watch I'm gonna watch a video real quick. Alright guys, so I just watched the video and this one dude was talking about you have to go into to get the Spokes Plus, you gotta go into body domain. Let that junk load up. And you gotta go to export mode. Boom. And then you gotta look at all these codes. He said like 320. I'm like, yeah, it's not gonna focus. 3221. And then you click on, oh my god, I forgot which one. It was 3221. And then I think it was this one. It says Fest World Mode 1. Export. Once you click this, it's gonna change it to Spokes Plus mode. And then you're going back all the way out of this. Don't click nothing because you don't want to fuck it up. Then you're gonna click code. Restarting ECU. Coding successful. Boom. And then he said if I want it to show up in the head unit, I gotta do something else. So I gotta go back in to the settings. But don't forget, it was like 3221 in the body domain control, and you have to click on export mode to get Spokes Plus. You feel me? Example, like look, when I click Spokes mode, nothing be popping up. When I put, like, nothing pops up. You feel me? Like nothing be popping up. Eco mode. Spokes Plus is not an option on Spokes mode. It should be an option, but it's not an option, so that's what we finna fix right now. So we had to go back into head unit. Boom. We in head unit right now. Then you click on export mode. I'm sorry about the camera, bro. It's just not focusing today, bro. I don't know why. FES. I think it's this one. You gotta click active. Boom. Once you click active, you back out. Back out, click code. Restarting ECU once again. Yeah. We put that M in that M330i, bro. That's just funny, but it's cool. Yeah, let's try it out now. Yeah, we got plus. Let me see. That's all it's gonna say, plus. Individual. I guess that's all it is. Shit. Sport Plus. I don't know what else happens when it's in that mode. You hear that? That doesn't sound nice, kinda. It ain't that loud, but you know, listen to this shit. Listen to this YouTube. We're gonna see what else we can code. Hold up. I ain't gonna lie, guys. This jump sounds pretty good, and this is before the tune, bro. This jump finna be nice. But I don't think we done yet because the guy in the video, his Sports Plus was showing up right there next to the P, but mine isn't, so we gotta figure out why that is. So I'm finna be digging deep into this app and see what else I can do. Well, I've been looking and I came to a conclusion that mine can't say Sports Plus at the bottom because I have the speedometer, the M3 speedometer on it. So I'm not really tripping. I don't really care if it says Sports Plus or not, as long as I can actually feel the Sports Plus. But I'm finna keep messing with the app and see what else I can do. I'm not trying to mess up the vehicle at all, so I'm gonna take it easy, but I'm gonna show y'all if I figure out anything else that's cool. So this wasn't the most informational video, but it's fine. You know what I mean? I coded it. We did what I came to do. I put Sports Plus in it. I changed the speedometer, you feel me? And now I'm finna test it out on the drive, but I'm not gonna show y'all yet because I'm gonna wait to show y'all. Well, I might do a POV one day, one of these days, a POV. Yeah, I'll probably do a POV one of these days before I get my downpipe, and then I'm gonna do a POV after I get my downpipe. You feel me? Downpipe and tune. But if y'all enjoyed this video, click the like button, click the post notification bell so you know when I go live, so you can know when I drop a video. But yeah, take a look at this. It's shot. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Make sure y'all click that like button.